Google reviews are a really higher way to get better rankings on Google. They help bring in new business. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get that link to get you more reviews. Did you know you can also get your reviews showing on your website like this? So later in this video, I'll show you how you can do that on your website, and also show you how you can get a button that will take people straight to giving reviews from your website. But let's first get the link that gets all these reviews. And I just want to be really clear that if you've been told you need to get a URL shortener like bit.ly, or you need to get a special redirect tool, that's not true, because things have changed recently. Google's made it a lot easier for you. So to get the link, you just need to log into your Google business profile. So to do so, you just make sure you've got your Google account. If you go to your browser, there you'll see your account. And then you should be able to then log into your business by typing in My Business, or type in your business name. Or if you want to go to the manager as well, you can just click on the 9 little buttons here that takes you to apps, and then you'll see your Google business profile app. If you click on that, that'll take you through as well. So either way, get to your business, the easiest way, the preferred way. And once you're there, you'll then get an opportunity to get your reviews. To get this link, you'll either find the button here that says Get More Reviews, or another way is to just go to your reviews, and there if you click on the reviews, it'll then bring up your review box, and there it will say Get More Reviews. In both cases, you click that button and it takes you through to this URL. And that's the link, nothing more to it. It's a simple, short link that Google's now put there for you. But this tells you something about what Google wants regarding this review. Notice it's got WhatsApp, Facebook, email. It tells you that Google wants you to give this to your customers, because Google is going to build your business based on your reviews. So this is a really important link, and you want to get it out to your business clients as soon as you can. So I'll show you how you can get that as a button on your website in a moment. But first of all, what actually happens if your clients click on this URL? What does it actually do? Well, imagine I've emailed this link to a client. The customer now has received it. They click on it, and this is what they see. It takes them through to this page here, where they can then add a review, and also you can give you a star rating out of 5. And at this point, you're going to look forward to loads and loads of reviews flooding in, aren't you? Well, it doesn't always quite go according to plan, because you may need to chase them up, or may need to remind them on more than one occasion. In fact, there's some really good strategies as to how you can get more reviews, which I'll come on to in a moment. So you might then start to find your reviews start flooding in with this link. But you can also fall into some traps here. Your reviews could come at such a pace, because if you send out to say 10,000 customers on a database to give you a review, you could actually find that you get yourself suspended. Google has algorithms to make sure that reviews look normal, look a genuine review. There's so many fake reviews that Google is trying to work against, and that's why you'll find sometimes reviews, genuine reviews, get removed. So for the button, just go for your web builder, add a button, add some text, and then just add that link to that URL that you've got a moment ago from Google, and then you just save it, and then that button will open up, and it looks like this. It's a great way to get more reviews. But so many business owners fail to understand that there's even greater perks that can come from getting reviews. For example, if you can get a genuine customer to put a video of the service or the product you provided, or if not, if you can get them to do a photo, did you know that has a far more greater impact on your ranking? So it's not just about the descriptions and the stars, it's also about the videos and the photos. And it's also about the frequency and the diversity. And did you even know that other reviews, not just on Google, but on Facebook, on Yelp, that also has an impact on your ranking. But if you want to deep dive into some advanced tips on Google Business Profile, then you don't want to miss this video next, because there's something in there that's quite stunning, and it involves reviews. So I'll see you on that video.